December 1st. We're at Crystal
We're
Mountain.
finally skiing. We had to leave Utah to find some snow.
On my new knee. We'll see what happens.
At least some open trails. Hopefully we'll get a good view of Rainier today.
It looks like it. We will.
Behind you.
I did. The very first turns on my new knee. It works. Well, knee, welcome to a lifetime of skiing. Will you please last me a long time? Now there's not so much wind. Oh. Mount Rainier. There's the Olympics way out there. Yeah.
First ski day on the new knee. New knee. Woo! Oh, there's my line. I went down this gully. That's my line from the last ride. All right, Mr. New Knee. We're at Crystal Mountain. Snow is very nice, and it's almost 100% open, so there's a lot more to ski here than Brighton. Now he's just showing off for the camera. So his new knee's doing great, his feet not so good. Hopefully they get worked in.
Oh, no pain.
Only in your feet, right?
Yeah. And my other muscles that aren't used to skiing.
That's right.